This 2018 Heartland Cyclone CY3600 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Heartland and features sleeps 6, Slideout, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, front bedroom, loft, outdoor entertainment, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.